welcome back. And today with my girls. Hey. It's very dark. So basically we're gonna go take a picture right now. This is my outfit. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's a mess. So it's my birthday, y'all.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. So I think after that we're gonna go to like a supermarket. So we'll see you there too. So good.
You see
Bro, my favorite eat this, the radish, yellow radish. Everything looks so good, y'all. Like, look at this. It's like a whole side dish. I should bring more money. There's a Korean food here. I might get one of this. I got this. They got Blackpink. What's that? On my first date. So pretty. Ain't no freaking way. These are so cute. I know. Oh my goodness. I actually end up getting myself for all my stuff. Y'all, we're about to eat. Well, she's already started over there in the back. I got this.
Oh, the favorite song, Girl Bye.
Oh my god, the lighting is so good.
Guys, she was also just freaking out about how the lighting was.
I have like the whole entire day. It smells so good, y'all. Look at this.
Is it cooked?
No, it's raw. It's like marinated.
No wonder.
That's the whole point. Sticky.
Is it good?
It's bland.
It's
But I think you have to eat it with other side dishes.
Yes,
Is it that good?
Mine's disintegrated.
This is marinated raw crab. We come all the way to H Mart for this.
I just learned how to eat the legs.
Yeah, now you know what I'm talking about. You have to think about it for a minute. Yeah, it's good, but like, it's good. Is it worth the hype though? I mean, I like the sauce. The sauce is really good. But the crab, like, would you drive here? Every single time you want to eat it? No. No. Yeah. Purple rice with beans. Oh my goodness. Calling out your UT on it. Anyways, kimchi. ASMR. Yes. You guys can try some of this. I think these are beef bulgogi. Beef bulgogi? Bulgogi? Yeah.
First the Korean festival, now H Mart.
Sorry, Sam. I can't turn my camera. It will fall.
Nice.
No, it's okay. I don't want it.
Can I try some?
Yeah.
Can I try the green one?
Yeah. It's almost like seaweed-ish. Yeah. I see it at buffet too. This is like raw squid marinated.
Oh, can I try that?
Yeah, can I try that? Yeah. It's good. Bro, why are they not leaving it? Like, why are they like, go away? Yellow radish. Also got cake, like a mini cake. Since my birthday today, they didn't have pink, so I gotta get the They did have pink. Yeah, it was like $40 for a cake. Like, we only use them for like Thanksgiving because my brother would bake like turkey there. Well, made of truth. Sorry, my spoon is so dirty. Oh, sorry, my bad. Very, it's not good. Orange flavor. Every time. It's like very orange flavor. First time. First impressions. Okay, guys.
Okay. Sorry, I'm just scared, guys. This is really colorful.
That's really good, isn't it?
Yeah, it
Like,
has that really
orange vibe.
citrus orange.
Yeah.
flavor.
Now okay, y'all. So that'll be all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I see y'all next time. Bye.